Hello guys, welcome to PLG Group Media. My name is Isaac, Head of IT, PLG Group Limited. On today's episode, I'm here to teach you how to remove shortcuts from your drive without losing any of your files. Let's get started. So guys, as I told you today, I'm coming to show you how to remove shortcuts from a drive. So this is the drive in question. So first of all I have to do is to slot it into my laptop, and as you can see, that's the shortcut on your screen, and you don't have to open it because there is a lot of virus in it. So all you have to do is to come to show more, then come to the option. So when you come to the option, you will see this pop up on your screen. Then you go to the view, come down here, and you will see it's written boldly there, show hidden files, folder and drive. Just click that one out and apply, and after you apply, you close this window. So this is where your files is being hidden, and that's the shortcut on your screen. So you open the hidden files. So as you can see, those are the files that is hidden on the laptop. So all that you have to do is to copy the files, cut, then you paste it here. So after the pasting, I think my machine is being a little bit slow. After the pasting, then you come to the shortcut itself. You click on it, then you delete, and so that's your files right there. And this thing, there is no way you're going to lose any of your files on the drive. You're going to get every single file on the drive. So guys, I just showed you how to remove shortcuts from your drive without losing any of your files. We are PLG Group Limited. We deal in computers and its accessories, anything concerning IT. We are located at Kokomlemle near City Light. For more content like this, like, share, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.